So today's kind of not a clean day, not a solid day, but I did execute two positions. First was a loser and second was a winner. I'm not running the position to all the way towards my final take profit. I closed it due to I identified this is not my model. Yes, I am not trader my model today. I've just executed some random positions in some random places. Just try to chase the price. Just try to outsmart the market, but it didn't work. First entry was a loser. Second entry, I just got the money back. That's it. Just a break even day. Just one, just execute in one account. I'm not traded in my live accounts. The thing is, I'm not waiting for my setups. I'm just creating my own setups. I'm not following anything these days. The past 2 days, the past 4 days, the last week, and this week is not something good that I'm doing. I'm kind of deviating everything. I'm not following my rule. I'm not waiting patient. I'm not disciplined. I'm not doing gym. I've skipped gym for 3 days, and I'm not journaling properly. I'm not following ES or NASDAQ. I'm not reading books. I'm not doing anything. Then my discipline is now all time low. It's completely turns into zero. So I had to build that momentum back. I had to back in track. This week I planned 7 to 8 things to follow, but I didn't. I deviated every one of my plan and rule. And I clearly reveal one thing, like which means the one big quote, not a quote. Like I try to prove my words means nothing to me. So, but if I keep on doing these kind of things, I'm never gonna respect my words and respect myself. In order to build self-respect, in order to build self-esteem, I have to obey my word. I have to follow my plan. I have to I have to do what I said, what I planned. That's what most important for me as a trader, as a individual who's going to be uh who's want to grow rich and not riches doesn't matter, bro. Riches doesn't matter. If you're doing the right thing, you can be rich. I don't want to talk about the rich poor thing. If you want to build some self-respect, if you want to trust yourself for a long period, trust yourself, you should obey your words. You should follow your word. If you give your word, you should keep that word. You are not supposed to skip the thing. If you give the word, like whatever the thing, you should do that regardless of what. You should do that. Then and then only you can improve and develop some kind of self-respect, at least from your side. So if I'm not doing this kind of things, I'm not going to be any. I'm just going to be nowhere, bro. I'm just going to be nowhere. I'm not going to be yeah, fantastic individual, like a good fellow, like my 2.0 version. Nothing. I'm going to be nothing. Fucking nothing. I have the tool. I know that my tool is working. My edge is working. Why the hell I execute my positions in some random places? Why should I try something different? I know that. I knew for a fact that there is another place I can do some experiment things. I know one thing and that thing playing really, really good. So I had to wait for that to appear. Once I identified that entry model, I identified my pattern. I just execute my trade and just manage it. As long as it gives 1:2, it's that's it. What's the trading is, bro. What I'm what I'm doing is I'm completely ruining my discipline. I'm trying to do something. I keep on trying something new. I'm just executing trades without any patience. I'm not wait for any sort of liquidity to sweep, some sort of structure to form. I'm just very busy with pressing the button. I'm just very busy with kind of addicted to pressing the buttons. I want to press the button. Today I execute two fucking trades. While I was in the college in the classroom, I don't know what the hell I did doing. Even though I get a very fine, fantastic setups, I'm not put standard lots. and just put very tiny lots for the good position for the good entries. But today I execute one stupid trade in a stupid place. It makes some sense at that point of time. I execute 5 lots. How the hell I execute 5 lots? Why? What's the reason behind that? The reason is nothing but to get funded quickly. Bro, I'm developing my consistency score for the past 2 weeks, which is really good. I should keep on doing that. I don't want anything else other than that. I want to keep that consistency score to a certain level. I don't want to ruin that. If I just follow my model, if I just follow my model, and which helps to keep my consistency score in a good level, it's okay for me. It's okay. It's fine. I don't need to trade every single model or every single thing. I don't want to chase the price every single time. I just want to wait once I find my model. Once I get the opportunity, I should execute with full confidence, bro. Then only I can scale some risk. I can increase my risk. I can scale my position. Just if I execute today on one model, tomorrow one model, the day after something different, how the hell I can grow? How the hell I can grow as a trader in this fucking industry, bro? It kind of sucks me very badly. I knew that I don't want any fucking money out of my model. I know that if I tried something new, if I just revenge, if I just doing something so cocky, I never take it as a granted. I always like and love what the hell I did with my entry. If I identify the correct entry with the correct model, I appreciate that, and I praise that. But if I did something wrong, if I just make money but I didn't follow anything, I never appreciate that. I never take it as granted. I never take it as a credit to myself. I never take it as a credit. I always just like it's not something I can hold. It's going to be loose, or it's going to be go away from myself as I don't know. It's going to be very soon. It's going to be very soon. I know that because I'm not following model. It's not my money. I going to lose that money very soon. I knew that. That's the reason why I never appreciate the because that kind of things I cannot do every single day, right? How the hell I can trade with some random setups every single day and making some fucking money in a consistent basis. I have to do some consistent thing. Like if I know my model, if I have my edge, I have to wait and follow that edge, bro. That's it. Then only I can develop some data around it. I can develop some confidence and conviction around it, and I can make some money out of it. Today at this point of time, I'm getting funded for two different platforms, and I'm about to get funded in my 50K in Alpha Capital. It's going to be the third different platform, and I'm now jumping into top step kind of futures, and I understand that it's working like a same. I need to be disciplined, follow my model, follow my words. Just not focus on pressing the button. Just wait for some sort of important level to sweep, or just take and just wait for some structure to form. Then execute with 100% confidence and hold the trade without touching the stop loss. This is the thing I need to do. I should do every single day. But what I'm trying to do is trying to do something so stupid, bro, every single day. If I'm executing fine trades, but I'm never close, but I never holding that long, holding the trade for a good amount of time. I'm just closing it very quickly once I see some 1 or 2% up, and I'm holding the trades, which is not a fine trade, which is not even a setups until it's hit my stop or break till it hit my stop or break on and sometimes I never took my partials, and it's kind of a lot of stupid things I'm doing, bro. I'm thinking like I'm exceptional in the classroom. Why the hell I trade? I don't have any entry model. The only entry model is missed. I identified lately. I identified very later, too late. By the time I identified the model, it's already moved to certain extent. I don't know. I'm not ready for that. I'm not marked to that. I don't know. It's a new kind of entry. I don't have the discipline to pass Just pass a day. Like just 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 take off one day, bro. Just if you are not like execute one entry in a day, it doesn't matter, right? Today I should execute one position, but I don't have any plan for that. I don't have that knowledge and experience to identify that at that point of time. Okay, fine. I missed the entry. It's more. So I can look for, is there anything else, something I can look and trade? Look up for a trade today, execute some positions today. If not, I should have the discipline to close the laptop and come tomorrow, bro. That's what I need to do. I don't need to trade every single day. I don't need to execute entry 5 days a week. Executing trades every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every one of the day, I execute my positions. So I kind of go over the trade that I'm not go over the trade that I just go over the market conditions for today. Give me a moment. This is a daily time frame. This is just the daily time frame. Let's keep on going. Once you sweep the weekly high, big dump, uh, big dump towards the daily fair value gap, bullish, and it's kind of quick flush. Today is just an indecision candle. It's not even sweep the low and sweep the high. It just come and tap the fair value gap one more time, and it's kind of rejecting. And in 1 hour, yeah, it's kind of same. After clear of this liquidity of entering this level, face gives some good reaction. In my point of view, in my style, it's just a first leg. Once it sweep, it's keep on going higher to rebalance this fair value gap. So instead, this fair value, it should hold the price and pushing lower. I knew that it sweep the high and gives good reaction, but it failed to take this low. Instead, it's just tapped the fair value gap one more time and just recovered it back. And in 1 hour, so this is what we got. This is the current swing which we have, and price stay inside this range for the whole day. And fail to take this low and fail to take this high. And this premium fair value gap getting tapped one more time. And it's swing and start to sell off. This is just a news candle come all the way down. And as you can clearly see, this H1 bullish fair value gap holding the price, which failed to close below. It's respecting, and it's instant recovery. It's just a news candle and it's instant recovery. And the following day it's gonna be just a consolidation. So what happened in 15 minutes? So in 15 minutes, I don't find anything that important. Like just a tap, just a quick flush, news candle. After it tap this imbalance, like general liquidity sweep, this London high, break, quick flush. Once it tap this level, it's keep on recovering and sweep the news candle high, sweep this high, and it's rebalanced to this imbalance, tap this fair value gap. It's 15 minutes time frame, right? It's keep on accumulating around this range. And this is where I execute my positions. I execute on sell entry inside this range and I execute on buy entry inside this range and targeting this high. If I just hold the trade, it would be the stop loss. I just close it with with not with by the when I when I recover my initial loss, my first entry loss, I just close my laptop, like close my trade. I have the plan to hold my trade up to this point, but I was like, oh, it's not my model. I don't want to trade here. It's nothing for me, bro. It's nothing for me. I should avoid this kind of entries. Why the hell I execute my positions here? Why the hell I execute my positions here? I don't have any idea. I don't know. It's kind of big recovery sweep. It's rebalanced to this level. If it come and sweep this low and print in any model, I can trade. I don't want to trade this kind of swings. And and I don't want to exit my positions here as well. But I did that. I just pressed the button while I was in the classroom inside this swing. Bullshit thing. So 5 minutes. Yeah, there go 5 minutes, and there is the fair value gap. Once it sweep the news candle high, it's kind of big flash to the downside, and it's tapped in 5 minutes imbalance, and it's keep on going higher. So there is no structure, there is nothing, there is no structure, there is nothing. And this is the liquidity, London high. So once it took place of the London low and Asia low, I expect the price to reach. It didn't happen, so I expect the this. So once it get tapped, I expect this value to flip. As per my wish, it's get flipped. So so I expect my positions to reach this point, but it didn't. It's kind of flip, but it's not going higher, come down lower. Just kind of full day accumulation. And this is the only move which we got. This is the news candle, and this is the recovery. If you should find, if there is an entry today, it should be the recovery. The reason for that, there is an entry, as you can clearly see here. It's a clean model, but I didn't knew that. I didn't aware about that because lost manipulation, structure shift. So this is the structure shift which we got yesterday, and it's a fair value gap clean flip, and this fair value gap which remain unfilled. So which remain unfilled, and what happened here? This is a breaker. Once the price come and tap the uh, daily and H4 fair value gap, what happened? It start to going higher and recover the big flag. In M5, we get that information. We can identify that information, but in M1 we got that entry. So where we can get the entry after it's tap the level, it's print the high, print the low, then it's flip this symbol. So once it flip, you can enter with the stop with low. This would be the entry. The reason for that quick news candle, and it's getting tapped. Failed to clear out this low. Instead, it's flip this fair value gap. Before that, what happened? Sweep, structure shift, tap, big displacement, which create the imbalance, and it's flip the fair value gap. So we can execute the position here, put the stop at the low, expecting some continuation towards the 50% or the this candle high. That's what exactly happened today. And it's aligned with a lot of things, and it's also holding the 1 hour bullish value, holding the price. In 5 minutes, it's dump clear. It's tapped the 4 hour H1 daily parallel gap, and it's kind of potential place. We can expect some sort of reversal. Just that's a breaker and the fair value gap which remain unfilled fair value gap there. So that is an entry. That is an entry. This should be the entry, and I can expect some price action to 50% or the full candle. That's it. Besides that, I don't find any entry, but I don't have the patience to wait. I executing entries by zooming it in 1 minute, and I'm kind of executing some positions here, like some selling, some buying, kind of bullshit, bro. I don't have any idea what the hell I did. At that point of time, it makes some sense, good amount of sense, but it didn't. I knew that it's not a A plus setup, it's not a A plus pay section, it's not a A plus level. I knew that it's a random level. If it's sweep this liquidity, I can look for something. I can look for something out of it. It's nothing, bro. If it's clears out this low, enter that 5 value amount, I can look for something. If it clears out this low, I can look for something. What the hell I did inside this range? It's kind of it's nothing clear. It's nothing clear for me, bro. I'm just did something incorrect. And this is only entry which I got around 12 o'clock. Once it reaches a premium level like the flip and this imbalance, it's kind of predicts the market make a sell model. Last guy, structure shift, sweep on what I've taken, break, displacement, and it tab the breaker. It's cleanly tab the breaker and sweep one more time. And fail to clear out this low, and it did take this low, and it start to reverse its direction towards upside, and it's reversed its direction. So that's it. That's everything for today. And I have to build a lot of disciplines in my model and inside my trading, since I don't have that discipline to wait and wait for my setups. And if I don't find the setups, I don't have the patience to, not a patience, it's a discipline to call it a day, not taking any trades. So hereafter, I have a plan to only trade my A plus setups, only wait for my important key levels to get some entries. If not, it's okay. I'm just call it a day. That would be great. I don't want to do some random things here. I don't want to try anything new. I don't want to do some experiment things. I know my model is working, so all I need to do is just wait for my model, wait for my key level. If I get good reaction, I can enter. and I have to build the conviction of not conviction confidence of not touch my stop loss unless or until it gives 1:1, 1:2. Once it gives 1:2, I can take partials and break on my trade. Before that, I don't have any access to touch anything. That's it. Have fun.